Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today, I'm doing a full weekend clean with me, shopping and everything. Okay, guys, let's get started. As you can see, guys, I did a mini grocery shopping haul. When I have the only weekend off, and I just go and buy my meat and then do deep cleaning, all the stuff. As you can see, those meat, they didn't cut them. I don't like to buy the platter. They're good though, but to me, I pay more money. So, I'm all about saving right now. And I was the last one at the shop, so everything was clean. So I know they will not cut them for me, so I was okay with that. Because what I do, I just like cut them in how many days I want them to last. So that's my preference. So it doesn't matter if they're not cut or not. And the best thing about this week, it's my birthday week. So my daughter came to help me clean and fix everything. So I'm so grateful. You're gonna see my beautiful princess very soon. That's the first time she participated in my video. I'm so happy. This is the best gift ever. Okay, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Keep watching. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to do so before you leave, okay? This channel is a TV station. You will see everything. I do pretty much everything in my channel. I do cook, clean, DIY, I do my nails, I do my hair, and I'm working on some nursing video because I'm currently in nursing school. So I'm doing some nursing video you're gonna see in the near future. I'm the unstoppable and the powerful, the boss lady. Okay, guys, if you like my style, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you so much, guys, and I thank you for all your support. I always separate the grocery shopping. My daughter is pouring the milk, the juices, and in little jug. Some of them gonna go in this fridge inside the kitchen, and some gonna go in the other fridge I have in the patio, because there's another fridge in the patio. That's where my kid spend a lot of time during the daytime. So I make it more easy for them, so they don't have to keep coming inside the fridge. So while they over there, they have juices and other stuff close by, and then this way keep inside the house clean too. So I have a lot of kids, so when those kids get together, honey, it's a mess. So that's why my house always stay clean. It's a little bit pricey, but I'm okay with that because they don't have to keep coming inside, do the mess once they're in the patio, and they have TV, fridge, microwave, and all the stuff. If they need something, they just enjoy. And I always separate my raw meat from the vegetable and other meat to prevent cross contamination. I put my raw meat in the deep freezer. Okay guys, the next part of the video gonna be my dining room. Keep on watching. So the next part is gonna be the living room. Okay guys, keep on watching. You guys already know my baby angel. He's the last one, and that boy always ready to help mommy. Thank you so much. I'm so blessed to be your mom. me a big thumbs up. And I want to thank you guys so very much for taking your time watching my video. I have a nice office makeover video coming up very soon. So I want you guys to stay tuned so you guys don't miss it. Okay, guys, thank you so much for your support. I love you all. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.